Hey friends, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are new. I usually wake up, I usually get out of bed by 6 a.m. Here is the moon and here is baby boy. No, we do not co-sleep, but he had woken up and I wasn't ready to get out of bed, so I just put him beside me and gave him some breast and he fell back to sleep. So my mornings are pretty basic. I don't do anything too fancy, guys. This is real life. This is not your fancy YouTuber aesthetic morning routine kind of lifestyle thing. This is real life. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I usually head to the kitchen. So I'm using the Evelyn Rose face wash and just this facial mist. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy because when I shower I'm also gonna do my face again, so I just kind of freshen up. I'm using this thingamabob massaging whatever mabob. I use it some mornings I don't. I think I specifically used it this morning because I was recording a video but I do use it some mornings, but it's not something that I use every morning. So now I'm done washing my face. I just grabbed a rag that I keep under the sink and I'm just wiping off the excess water from washing my face. I also wiped down the little massaging thing that I used to wash my face, and then I'm grabbing my little facial, I don't know what you call it, guys, sit with me. It's some fancy face cloth that came with some face product that I bought, so I'm just gonna use it and dry my face and mist my face, and then we are heading off into the kitchen, or the washroom specifically this morning, because I have something in the washer that I need to put out. So I have been breaking out, and I want to say it started when I went on birth control. It started with one bump, and then I feel like every week I just get a new one, and it's just on that one side of my face. I was joking and saying that I have a constellation on my face because it kind of looks like that. Anyhow, so grabbed the mattress protector that I have in the washer. I'm gonna hang it out. You can see it's still dark outside. The sun is not up in the sky. It's still quite early. So I'm just gonna hang this out and then we're gonna head to the kitchen. So I had set the baby's bottles to sterilize, and then I had just left them inside of the Instant Pot. This particular Instant Pot has a sterilized setting, but you can just put it on whatever setting and just let it boil and kind of sterilize them with steam like people did in the olden days with regular pots. So I'm gonna make his bottles and pack his little food bag that I sent to him with daycare. When we are at home, he eats porridge and whatever I'm eating, I'll just blend it up or mush it up. But when he goes to daycare, I send pre-packaged baby food with him because it's just more convenient. This is a kind, the milk pouches, storage pouches. It's like the whole system where you just twist and snap it into place and you pump directly into the bag and blah blah blah. They're disposable. I've stopped pumping, but I have a couple of these bags left, so I'm using them for water. So that's all of baby boy's things. It's 3 4-ounce bottles of cereal, one cereal, what is this, apple banana with mixed cereal, and then it's one fruit jar. So now I'm moving on to getting started with breakfast. I'm gonna put these stuff that, well, I'm not putting everything away because I'm a little bit behind this morning now at this point after going outside and all that jazz. So I'm just gonna move the things right here that are in my way, and then I'm gonna get started. This morning I'm making fried dumplings on saltfish and callaloo. I've been trying to do more stuff like fried dumplings or fritters or whatnot in the morning so that we don't use so much bread, because you know the price of everything is going crazy. So since we buy flour in large amounts, I just say, you know, I try my best in the mornings to make something, and this morning it is fried dumplings. So I'm done making the dough for the fried dumpling. I'm gonna set on my pan, and I usually have the saltfish soaking from the night before, but I didn't do that last night. Here is baby boy's stuff in his bag, and I have some tea for him there, and I'm gonna make him some cereal. This multi-cereal with quinoa. Oh my god, my brain. So I'm just showing you my dough right there. My saltfish is boiling. My oil should be ready. Yes, so let's go with the dumplings. So now everybody is up and about in the house, and you guys get to see your the star of the show, the star of the channel over here shortly. So this is his thing right now. He's not into crawling. Like, he'll do an army crawl or he'll just go up on all fours like this. Alright, so that is it for the start of the show. So here is breakfast about ready. I'm gonna go ahead and just portion out everybody's plates. I'm gonna make my coffee first, and then I'm gonna lay out Baby Boy Sings on his chair. And usually at this time when his food is ready, hubby will start to feed him while I am getting everybody else's plates ready. I thought I had taken a picture of one of the nicer looking plates to insert, but apparently I didn't, so you gotta just kind of peek and see. My dumplings are not that fancy, guys. Mr. Man ate his porridge. He's not really interested in the tea, but that's fine. It's just for him to taste it because we are tea people. It's mint tea, by the way. Okay, official good morning. We are ready to go. Today is for me it's office day, so I'm supposed to be doing my report and so on. I'm gonna run some errands, so I'm taking him to daycare. So we got ready and you didn't see any of that, but this is him. He has a little man bun. Sometimes I cornrow his hair. I wasn't up for all of that this morning because I want to get going early. See, it's, what is this saying? It's 10 minutes to 9. I want to get going early so I can come back and get stuff done because the house is a mess. What the kitchen looks like. Where's the kitchen? So I need to come back and, as I said, do my report, check emails, do whatever work related stuff that I need to do, and then try and get the house together. And I have some little other stuff to do with my side hustle, so I need to get all that done. And I hope you're hearing me because there's no mic attached to the phone. Let me see if I can show you guys a little outfit of the day. I'm just wearing jeans and a t-shirt. No, I don't think I can show you no outfit of the day. So we're doing construction. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen a little bit of progress with that. So that's there, and the room that has my boys' room has the mirror, but there's too much crap in there. It's a mess. It's a mess. So anyhow, we're gonna get going in the car. I've packed baby boys. Later. Packed baby boys backpack. Bag from when you started making formula, and then I just need to pick up my purse. And where's your car seat, Papa? It's in the boy's bedroom. That's kind of where everything ends up. So I'm just wearing this t-shirt. It's actually Antonia's t-shirt, and it says